is characterized by the color orange and the corresponding frequency of light of orange. If you look at the light spectrum, whatever that frequency is the frequency of this particular chakra. It's from 7 to 14. That's where you're starting to connect with your relatives and your friends, your social life, and you're starting to find your footing and your social aspect. If this is interrupted, especially in this day and time with what is it called? Not child pornography. What is it called? Child trafficking and things of that nature. Especially in times of war, when there's war undergoes some sort of trauma. When you're in that developmental stage from 7 to 14, you won't learn how to connect with friends or family. You'll feel isolated. You feel like you won't have much of a social life. It'll be hard for you to socialize. It'll be hard for you to convey your feelings. And again, it creates a void. And then people do certain things to fill that void. Now, this happens with each of your chakras that begin to open. A healthy chakra means you'll succeed in life. No matter what challenge or obstacle you're presented with, you'll surmount it because nature is flowing through your system, and you'll just somehow know instinctively how to move, where to move, when to move. If there's blockages in the system, then you're either going to feel disconnected. You don't know what to do. You're going to get frustrated equally, and then you're going to collapse in on yourself.